Shalom, everyone. Welcome to another episode with Bot Caleb Consulting. You can reach us at botcalebconsulting@gmail.com. As always, we give all thanks and praises to Yah. That is Yahweh. Yahweh. Praise Yahweh. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Praise Yahweh. Let's begin. Today, the scripture that we're dealing with is Proverbs 15:22, which says, "Without counsel, purposes are disappointed, but in the multitude of counselors they are established." I bet you're saying, what does that mean? And what does that have to do with business? Let's go. What it means is consulting and coaching are divine principles. Yahweh established that wise counsel brings success. Those who offer counsel professionally and spiritually, you help others fulfill their purpose. Your expertise becomes a ministry, wisdom, guiding others to prosper in alignment with Yahweh's order. Prosperity is in alignment with Yahweh's order. He says, I'm here to make you have life and life more abundantly. All right? So you do have to have counselors and consultants that you call up and you talk to, experts in their field. But guess what? You can be one too. This is what today's video is about. Let's go. What if you didn't have to become an expert in something completely new? What if you could begin with what you already know? What do you know? Pause on that. What is it I know? Start writing it down. All right? If you're a professional engineer, teacher, nurse, accountant, you're working HR, you already have skills and credibility. You do customer service, that's something you know. Think, what businesses can you start now using those gifts? What business can I start now using this gift? You have a particular set of skills that you have acquired over your career that can be turned into a business. Let's get started. Consultant in your specialty. Financial consultant. If you did HR consultant. Nursing consultant. Teacher, educational coaching, health and wellness advising. You provide solutions and strategy to a person or business based on your expertise. You diagnose a problem, offer a plan or implementation. You're the expert giving advice and deliverables. You can do it. I've done corporate training for years, HR management, call center development, customer service directing and management, training, sales training, customer service training. So that's why I can help people in those areas when it comes to business. I've done business startup, years of these skills that I've acquired from me starting out when my dad pushed me in the corporate world at a young age to now. That's why I'm a successful consultant. So think of the skills that you have and what you can use it to do. If you've been in finance for years, you can be a financial consultant. There's so many things that you can do with the skills you already have. Coaching. You can help a person or team reach a specific goal or transformation through guidance and accountability. Just ask powerful questions, help the person see the blind spots, and guide them to results. Like a teacher can become an academic success coach for parents and students. Remember, coaches guide people to solve their own problems. As consultants, we solve problems. Coaches guide you. You guide the person to solve their own problems, okay? So, what are the skills you already have? Who is this for? If you have about 3 to 10 plus years of experience in the field, you know of a proven system or skill that get results, or you have a proven system or skills that get results, and you have a desire to work independently or build a brand, then this is for you. Get your company started. Get it started. Get it started. I sound like a broken record, right? Because that's what I'll keep saying. Get it started. Teachers, you can do educational coaches, homeschool consultants. You can consult people who are trying to set up homeschools. Nurses, health and wellness or elderly care consultants. Financial advisors, financial coaches, credit repair consultants. Managers, leadership or productivity coaches. IT professionals, tech or cybersecurity consultants, therapists, life coaches, mindset or relationship coaches. And right now, a lot of people need therapy. They need to mindset or relationship coaching. Construction expert, project management, or home renovation consultants. Yeah, believe it or not, I have my construction certificate. I went to school for construction as well because I believe in acquiring multiple skills, having multiple crowns. So, how to start consulting or coaching? Identify your niche. Ask, what result do I help people get? Who can benefit the most from my expertise? What's the pain point they want to solve? What is it that the person need to solve? For example, you help parents improve their child reading level in 30 days. Can you do that as a teacher? As a nurse, you can help nurses transition into independent healthcare business owners. You have a niche. You have a niche. Save this video, play it back, share it, like, subscribe. You have a niche. Here are some example niches: teacher, nurse, financial professional, IT expert, construction manager, human resources pro, therapist, counselor. See, I give you the type of counseling and example offer. Like, for example, okay, human resource pro, you can do career coach, coach people in the different careers, help them interview skills and all so forth. And you can say, I help professionals land promotions in 90 days. That's your kicker right there. That's your drawing. If you need a plan on how to do this, you can reach out to me, put the comments, on this video, and I can help you. If I have not responded to the comment, just quick shoot me an email. I'm always in my email. Look at all these example niches. Look at it. Are you taking notes? Take notes. Start a business, set it up, become a productive member of society. Get wealthy. Move from lack to abundance. Write down what skill or knowledge you have that you could solve someone's problem. Drop it in the comments. I'll help you turn it into a business model. Makalibconsultant@gmail.com. Again, this is Malka. Glory to Yahweh. Glory to Yahweh. Praise Yahweh. You have a niche. You have an expertise. If you have been on a job for over 2 years and you're an expert in something, you can take that and turn that into a business. What is it you like to do? What is it that you're good at? You have a niche. Let's go. Get it together. Get it done. All right. Praise Yahweh. Thank you so much for joining me today. Bye bye. Until next time.